Oh man, guys, I messed up pretty good. But I messed up in a delicious and hilarious way. Now don't go away, okay? I know these are kind of screwed up, but if you've ever wanted some aggressive self-love and some goofy fun, these are for you. They're for those moments that you can't take things too seriously and you need to remind yourself you're great, which I need sometimes. And what better way to do so than with this goofy little guy? And you bet the ingredients inside, like raspberries and egg, are perfect magically too. As always, you can find the whole thing on my blog. You can also get printable and e-version recipe cards from my Patreon, or you could just stay here and watch this video. Now these are supposed to be like a nice, cute, Pinterest-worthy raspberry cheesecake cookie. They obviously did not end up that way, and that is because I used fresh raspberries instead of freeze-dried ones. But get your butter, cream cheese, and sugars all creamed together, and then add your egg yolk and your vanilla extract. You're gonna end up with some good soup, and then you're gonna just add some baking soda and your flour. And if you're me, you'll realize where your cup measure went this whole time. Oops. But get that folded in nice and gentle, and then once all of it is well incorporated, it is time to add your raspberries. Now, I have fresh raspberries, which I thought would be fine. I thought they would just make a nice, pretty red color to the dough. A little bit of natural food dye, if you will. And it certainly started that way. I was like, oh cute, nice little pink cookies. I'm even using white and raspberry chocolate chips, specifically to add more of that raspberry flavor. But as time went on, I noticed that the color kind of went from this nice pinkish red to some kind of odd, like, gray lavender. But I was already there and I was going to bring this to its logical and natural conclusion, which was these insanely heinous looking cookies. But while they were warm, I got the idea to stick some more chocolate chips in them in order to make these little faces. That way, instead of looking like the souls of the damned and lost, they could instead be cute little goblin guys. But you guys saw the inside of that cookie, and you know what? It still tasted really good too, even though it looked like this. I think they'd be great even for like a Halloween party or something, so enjoy!